Ningbo Chuanlang was established in 1991. This company has over 60,000 square meters of area. And of that 60,000, 50,000 of that is their production. Within that 50,000 area of workspace, they have over 800 employees and an excellent research and design team. Here at Ningbo, Chuanlang, they have achieved a lot of type of certification and test reports that we want to show you. For example, they have the Intertech test report. This is the ANSI 315.1 test report they achieved. Also, what they have is the GSV verification. That's Global Security Verification that they have achieved in 2020. Now, also, what you want to talk about is their certification, such as the Certificate of Environmental System Certification, which is part of the ISO 14001:2015. As far as the quality management system, they have the certificate here as well. This is the ISO 9001:2015. Now, this particular one right here is the SG certificate that they achieved from Japan. Not very many companies can get this, but they're one of the companies that actually achieved this type of certificate from Japan. Now we're inside of Ningbo Chuanlang's assembly line for the balanced bicycle. You have different areas in the assembly line that people take responsibility for putting the bicycle together. You have individuals that's assembling parts to the clamps, the housing, the structure, and the main frame of the bicycle. Here, as part of the Certified Supplier Distributor Program with China Toy and Juvenile Products, it's important that you maintain the high standards that this company has maintained with all types of qualifications and certifications that they have met. Along the whole processing line, you can see that they have some different components in different areas of the line. And the final area that they're part of is the packaging area. This is the area where they found a product has been finally packaged and it met all the QC standards along the way. Also in Chuanlang's Quality Control Center, there are other additional tests that they perform. Particularly this test machine right here, it tests the breaking point for the steel tube. So it has a very high level of intensity that applies to the tubing of the bicycle, the balanced bicycle, to make sure that it bends and it doesn't bend. Actually, in this area right here, this test is for the chemicals inside of the product. Once you paint it, they want to know if there any chemical that is hazardous to an individual. So this is testing for that. Inside this room right here, this is the Anti-Corrosive Test to make sure that the tools or the parts in the machine or the bicycle or the toys do not corrode and get rusted or causes any problems. Now, we're inside of Ningbo Chuanlang R&D department. In this department, you have highly skilled individuals who have the personal capability and the skill level to create some of the most innovative ride-on toys for this company.